you like one? Would you like one? We are on our way to Sunday brunch. BKC जा रहे हैं BKC. Such a treat to see BKC so khali with no traffic jams. Look at the sky. What do you all think? Like, how can we truly tackle the AQI problem? Look at the sky. It's so beautiful today. The AQI has been beautifully low the past few days. And let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's not because so many constructions have stalled, but it's more so because there's a serious wind blowing, and that's what's blowing it all into the ocean. Someday! Okay, that's what the Sofitel entryway looks. What is it called? Entryway? Driveway? Lobby under a foyer. Drive-through. Chala, jeevan karela. Okay, we're seated at table number 20 and the sushi bar, and you have this is vegetarian and non-vegetarian sushi. They have an artisan bagel studio जहाँ पे you can customize your bagel. Chicken, grilled paneer, mushroom, cream cheese, avocado, black olives, smoked salmon. यहाँ पे you have your regular. इसके अलावा we have दाल काबुला. So this is I think the Indian counter. Steam rice वो भी दिखा देती हूँ. मीठी मटर मुठिया. Ooh, sounds good. Yeah, my favorite गट्टे की सब्जी है. Love गट्टा. I really love गट्टा. And then look at where he is gone. That is his favorite. That's a Scotch glazed pork belly. What a wide variety ना. अच्छा यहाँ पे पास्ता एंड पिज़्ज़ा काउंटर भी है. In case you all didn't know, I am a pescatarian, so I only eat fish. Look at the surf and turf. Oh, Baba re. Wow, look at this meze bar. Burrata. Smoked tuna looks unbelievable. Even this. Would you like a shrimp cocktail? Ceviche bar uska. Mixed seafood ceviche bar जिसमें you have squid, you have prawns. We're gonna do a live tiramisu center. Fun fact, I always start my food with dessert, and that's going to be tiramisu today. Good. There can be world cuisine out there, but agar pani puri ho, there's no chance I'm not eating it. Huh? Like this. Would you like one? Would you like one? What drink is this?
Golden Era.
Golden Era.
Yes. Golden Era.
Thank you. Cheers. गोश्त छाप की बिरयानी. That smell, I wish you all could smell this right now. सब्जी बिरयानी, आलू कटलियाँ, oh, like छोटे slices, that's what they mean. Yeah, पनीर धनिया वाला, अदरक वाला. My mother used to travel sometimes, leave my sister and me alone. My father used to know एक thing to make. It would always be लाजवाब धनिया वाली अदरक की मुर्ग. And that's all he could cook and would cook for us. Hot toss, Asian greens and black bean sauce. They also have seekh kebabs. And तंदूरी चिकन विंग्स, उसका मैंने ये देखा ही नहीं अभी तक, गारंटी. They even have a full fresh fruit counter. And now we are going to my favorite dessert. Oh gosh, look at that. मतलब मुझे तो बुरा लगेगा इसको काटने भी. And just for that हम लोग काट लेंगे इसको. Ta-da! Ooh! Wow, look at that. Oh wow! Contains alcohol. खाना ही पड़ेगा. These are the viral ones. Oof, there's so much to choose from. Oh my gosh. Jaggery rasgulla. And then some ice cream. I'm trying the viral mascarpone strawberry. Wow. It's got like a क्या जली है अंदर? फिगी. Too good.
A few moments ago.
You not manage to eat all of this.
And if I eat it, is that a challenge?
No, not
I'll
a
wipe this
challenge.
clean.
No.
Police. Wow.
Now we have just finished the buffet, or we are going to work out the buffet by going shopping. Shopping. We've come for a workout. आप लोगों ने बैक टू मैक का सुना होगा. बेसिकली यू गिव 4 ओल्ड और empty मैक products and you get 1500 off on any product that you buy. Back in the day they used to give a free lipstick. अभी वो बंद कर दिया है. And now I think buy this and get 1500 off on that. Phil Purport हो गया है because he was not at Under Armour, but we figured out that he was at Superdry, so we're going to try and find him there. Yeah, to here. So now we have these robots here, and say you want to go to, let's go to Starbucks. You want to navigate? Yes. And then looking for tap for direction. It's saying tap for direction. I'm currently assisting another visitor.
No, it's
Sir, Ajay is assisting me only, sorry.
Go.
अरे अरे ये तो आगे चला गया. अंकल हम लोग पहुंच गए सर. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. Good job. Okay, I feel like we walked enough, but we both miss Coco a lot, so we're gonna go home. Cookie! Hi, Tweety! Oh.
Okay. Now